Welcome back to my channel. This is the one-armed gardener here. It's been about 3 weeks since I started transplanted these Roma tomatoes, this plant right here. So what I'm going to do is put it in a tomato cage before it gets unwieldy. It's a lot more difficult when the plant is grown up to feed the leaves into the cage. So it's going to be quite a deft process, but it should be fairly painless without losing many leaves. Wish me luck. So as you can see here, what I try to do is to flare the legs out, the four legs, and then guide them down on the exterior of on the interior rim of the container. That is the exterior of the guides, so that you avoid any roots and piercing the plant and damaging the plant. And I'll just slightly guide it down, manipulating the leaves as much as possible on the way down. And there it is. That was fairly painless without losing any leaves. And the nice thing about it is I've guided it all the way down and it's touched the bottom of the container. And the plant has not yet reached the point where the leaves need to be manipulated. And now it will naturally just rise and find its level all along the cage. And that's it. How to guide a tomato plant into a tomato cage. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Once again, sorry about the shaking. This is not a professional video. The intent is to share activities of daily living with those with stroke and MS and cerebral palsy and other types of neurological issues who, for one reason or the other, have to use either one arm or mostly one arm like me. Thank you. Peace. Bon appetit.